Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be learning 5 nouns all about transportation. There will be practice activities that include matching, multiple choice, and flashcards. So join me in learning and practicing your Spanish skills today, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss another video when they come out. The words we're going to be learning today are bicycle, bicicleta, car, carro, airplane, avión, bus, autobús, motorcycle, motocicleta. Okay, let's dig in. The first word we're going to learn is bicycle. How do you say bicycle in Spanish? Bicicleta. Okay, make sure you practice after me and say them out loud so you can learn them so much better. Instead of just saying it in your head, say them out loud. Practice. Bicicleta. The first C is pronounced like an S. The second C is pronounced like a K. Bicicleta. Bicicleta. Okay, a lot of Spanish-speaking people will, when they're talking in conversation, will abbreviate this word, and you might just hear the word bici. They will just chunk it down and abbreviate it. They will say bici. I rode my bici, instead of saying the whole word bicicleta. So you might hear Spanish-speaking people either say bicicleta or just bici, but that's what that means. Okay, how do you say car in Spanish? Carro. This double R is a rolling of the tongue. Carro. Carro. R. Carro. Okay. Airplane is avión. 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 Put that emphasis on that O. Avión. Avión. Practice. Avión. Okay, the next word is bus. In Spanish, it is autobús. 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 Notice how the word auto, let me go back to car. Some people have different words for car. Some people say auto, some people say vehículo. Vehículo just means vehicle. Auto is also car. And in some Spanish-speaking cultures, they actually say coche. Where I was born in Argentina, we say coche. Coche also means car. However, in the United States, the most common Latin American Spanish is from Mexico. And in Mexico, they say carro. And this is probably the most common word that you will hear. So that's why I chose this word, carro. But this word, this object is referred to as coche in some language, in some dialects of Spanish, and also auto. And so when you see this word, you can think, okay, well, it's kind of like a car, but it's a bus, autobús. And let's see here. Yeah, so that's good. Autobús. Sometimes people abbreviate this word. They say bus. So sometimes Spanish-speaking people will not say the whole word autobús. They'll just say bus or even bus. Sometimes they'll just call it bus or bus, or they will say the whole word autobús. Okay, a motorcycle in Spanish is motocicleta. Motocicleta. So one C is pronounced as an S, and the other C is pronounced as a K. K. Motocicleta. Repeat. Motocicleta. And a lot of Spanish-speaking people will abbreviate this word as well, and they'll just say moto. So they'll either say motocicleta, which is more uncommon, or they will just say moto, which is a little bit more common. It depends on how formal they want to speak. Okay, motocicleta. Let's practice. Let's start with flashcards. Okay, here's the word in Spanish, and then you tell me the word in English. What does bicicleta mean? Bicicleta is bicycle. And of course, a lot of people say bici. Carro is easy, right? Carro means car. Avión. What does the word avión mean? Avión is airplane. Autobús. Autobús means bus. Motocicleta in English is motorcycle. Now let's do it in reverse order. How do you say bicycle in Spanish? Bicicleta or bici. Bicicleta. How do you say car in Spanish? Carro. How do you say airplane in Spanish? Avión. Avión. How do you say bus in Spanish? Autobús. Autobús. How do you say motorcycle in Spanish? Motocicleta. Motocicleta. So notice it has the same ending as bicicleta. Bicycle is bicicleta. And motorcycle is motocicleta. So they both have the same ending. Okay, let's try some multiple choice questions. We'll start with Spanish to English and then reverse it from English to Spanish. Okay, which one is bicicleta? Yep, bicycle. Which one is carro? Yes, car. Which one is avión? Airplane. Which one is autobús? Bus. Which one is motocicleta? Motorcycle. Okay, now let's reverse the multiple choice. What word means car? Whoops, I skipped ahead. I clicked it twice. Okay, what word means airplane? Avión. What word means bus? Autobús. What word means bicycle? Bicicleta. What word means motorcycle? Motocicleta. Okay, now you can try some matching. Match the word on the left in Spanish to the word on the right in English. You can pause the video if you need more time. Or you can always speed up the video at any time as well. Okay, here are the answers. Bicicleta is bicycle. Carro is car. Motocicleta is motorcycle. Avión is airplane. And autobús is bus. Good job! You did it! Those were easier words, I think, because the Spanish words sound like the English words. I think those might be a little bit easier to learn. If you want more language exercises and courses, these are really great courses. They're very comprehensive and super affordable. So check them out at these links, and you might enjoy them. Thank you. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and go ahead and pick one word from today's list and practice writing it in the comments below along with its definition, and you can practice writing it in a sentence, and I would just love to check those out. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again next time. Adios.